all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can automatically add your Facebook leads to your Google Sheets, and yes, you can try this for free. But before we learn how to do this, I'll just show you how this automation is going to work. So let's say someone sees my ad on their Facebook, they're interested and they fill in this lead form. So as you can see, I've successfully filled in this lead form. Now I'm just going to click on this continue and then submit. Once I'm just going to click on this submit, it is saying thank you. This means that the lead form is filled. So now let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details of the lead is added right over here in my Google Sheet. Be it the name, the email, the phone number, the property type or the city. The details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. So if you also want to create this amazing automation, watch this tutorial till the end. And for that, you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. So this is the most important window of our automation, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free into your Google Sheets. That's why I told you that you can try this automation for free today. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you watch our YouTube videos, this is just for you. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead instant and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Once we click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, Pabbly is going to open a window something like this if your Facebook account is already logged in. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only going to see this window. So once you see this window, just click on this continue as Jessie right over here and give Pabbly all the permissions. For me, it is Jessie. For you, it will be the name of your own account. Now, once you click on this continue, you're going to see that your Facebook lead ads account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now, you have to select the page name and the lead gen form. So, the name of my page is Prime Properties. So, I'm just going to select the same right over here, which is Prime Properties. And now, for the lead gen form, I'm just going to select the form for which I want to create this automation. After this, I'm just going to click on the save and send test request button, but make sure that the response format is selected as simple. Now, click on this save and send test request. When you click on the save and send test request, it is going to say waiting for webhook response. And in order to capture this webhook response, you just have to open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers. And then you have to open the landing page of Meta for Developers. After opening the landing page of Meta for Developers, go on this resources and then developer tools. Once you're on this developer tools, you just have to scroll and look for lead ads RTO debug tool and select it. And as you can see that this is my lead ads testing tool. Now you have to select the same page and the form which you selected in your workflow. So this is the page. As you can see, this is the form, and now for the product, select it as lead retrieval and click on this preview form. Now let's fill in this form. So for the property type, I'm just going to select it as apartment. For the full name, I'm just going to keep it as smart user. Now for the phone number, I'm just going to keep the phone number as this. Then for the email address, I'm just going to keep it as user@pabblytudes.com. For the city, I'm just going to enter it as Bhopal right over here. Click on this continue and I'm just going to submit this form. Once I'm just going to submit this form, we have successfully created a test lead. So now let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right right over here. You're going to see the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. Now I'm just going to add these details in Google Sheets. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us. Now you have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet right over here. It is going to ask you for many details, so one by one enter the details. These details are the same details which you have entered in the columns of your Google Sheets. Alright, so one by one enter these details, but over here is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So in order to map the details, just put a slash and then search for the detail you wish to map and map it like this. So I have mapped the name. Now let's map the email address right over here. Now let's move on further. I'm just going to map the phone number. Now let's move on further. I'm just going to map the property type and then I'm just going to map the city. So why we do mapping? Because mapping makes the text dynamic, and what happens is now this text is going to change with every new response received, which means that our workflow can run in real time. So one by one I'm just going to map the details right over here, and after mapping all the details I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, and now we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets. And you're going to see the details have been added, be it the name, email, phone, property type or the city. The details are added, and not only these details, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from this campaign, automatically the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. And yes, this is true. Like I showed in the starting of this video, you don't have to come back and again to your workflow to click on save and send test request. You know what you have to do? You just have to sit back and relax, and Pabbly Connect is going to do this manual work for you. So go and try this amazing automation right now, because right now only we are offering the free trial of Pabbly Connect. And further, if you have any doubts related to the video or the workflow, drop them in the comment section below. And for your reference, we have attached the workflow URL in the description box below. And don't forget that the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below and right over here on my screen. You can use this to get a heavy discount. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.